My name is Pomeroy. I am from New Milford, Connecticut, and I'm about to be 19 years old. So I was born with a rare disease called XLH, X-linked hypophosphatemia, which means low phosphorus in the blood. And they only realized I had it once I started getting to the age of where I could walk and like weight bearing, and they could see that my legs started bending. I'm also spontaneous case, which is about 30% of all people with XLH. That no one in my immediate or extended family has anything like this. In such a small community, you kind of have to know other people with your condition. It really helps other people to see other people with their condition and be like, oh, I experienced this. That's why it's so important to have community for rare diseases. My piece is called Experiment, and I based it off of the feeling of medical sacrifice and sort of being a test subject when it comes to finding research for rare diseases specifically. The background of my piece is my medical warning and information labels that come with every single one of my vials for my medication. And I wanted to highlight how risky it is to really take medication. And also because of the fact that I was in the clinical trial studies for getting these approved. So some of the symptoms or warning signs that are on there are written because of what I had reported back. I've always just sort of turned to art as sort of a way to explore and create mess in a controlled environment. Finding out about the competition and entering and then getting to read about everyone else's entries was a really, really good way to raise awareness for rare diseases of all types. I'm hoping that I can share my experience and others can share their experiences and we can really be heard and understood.